Hey guys, it's me. Welcome to my very first origami tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the state of Ohio. This is a design designed by me a few years ago. And I'm going to teach you how to make it. So, what we're going to do is we're going to start with a piece of paper. So to make things easier, I'm going to go for this color. Oh, come on. There we go. So for this, we're gonna use a 6-inch square of kami. So what we're gonna do, okay, start off white side up and fold in half this way. Rotate it this way and then fold it in half this way. Pretty sharply. Then you want to rotate it like this and then fold in half again. Unfold now to here, then turn over. Then you want to fold this up just a little bit, but you want to make sure that this edge touches the crease like this. You want to fold it up this much. Now on this side, you want to fold it up further like this. Fold in half. And we're almost done. You just want to put the crease in. You're gonna make sure you want to leave enough room right here on the left side. And crease like that. On this side, you want to leave less room. Like that. And then you just want to squash it like that. Make sure to flatten it. Open it up a little bit. And we are done. There it is. That is the state of Ohio. And if you want, you can make it an action model by... Oops. Wait. Well, it actually works if you use a stronger piece of paper. This is a sheet of tant. You can make it flip like that. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.